What's up, Akira? Hey, brother. Just so you know, I got it set up. It's ready. It's ready for you whenever you're ready. I can now add guests to my stream. Um, hopefully you're having a good day, good afternoon, good morning for me. It's been an interesting one. I left my heater on all day yesterday in here, and after 24 hours it shuts off. So it shut off last night, and so everything was super cold this morning, and a bunch of my stuff was all jacked. But now my mic stand, I broke it, but it's working. That's what took me so long to get the stream going. I had monitors that were like sagging, and it just got so cold. Everything started like falling apart, I guess. But good morning. Welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. We are here. It is March 6th, 2026. And it looks like market took a nice little dump. We're going to go ahead and look over at some news today. What happened today for our news? We got average hourly earnings coming in better than expected. Core retail sales worse than expected. Non-farm employment change way worse than expected. Unemployment rate increased. That's funny. Unemployment claims were down yesterday, and then the unemployment rate went up. So that means people aren't filing for unemployment, but not as many people are looking for jobs, I guess. Retail sales. Big news today. We can see here we got Bank of America. Oh, those are dividends. No major earnings today. We have some dividend payouts coming out. Nice. But all the news is done. 5:30 a.m. was the news. 8:30 Eastern. 8:30 Eastern was the news. We're live. Let me go ahead. Hey, now you guys can see my setup. We're going to go, welcome to Kingdom Trades Live. Boom. Now that should come across the bottom. Hope it's going good, Akira. Hope you had a good work day. We got a nice little jump off this old low. That's what this little blue line is. Need to mark out some new high targets here. We got some purples up here. Yeah, but even if you just want to test it, man, even if you're hearing me, you just want to test a video, you have like a webcam or something, I could send you the link. You're gonna have to figure out how to send you the link, and then you could hop on using the link, and then I need to start adding you to my screens. I got you on one screen right now. Probably just do the same thing. Let's see here. Live trading. Yeah, man. I'll be on Monday. But you don't have to get a I mean maybe you just have a garbage cell phone. Maybe you just have like a nothing cell phone. But I'm telling you, man, you just need it, unless you just can't depart from having it in your hand. All right, Monday. Oh, that long is looking good. Came down, retested this range here, started to push up. Nice break of structure. We have a cross. Yeah, I should have gone long. I was still setting stuff up, but I had this range here. I was looking at it bouncing off of my level. Let's go over here. 24.60, 39. Nice. Let's see. My entry would have been. So you got in here. That's an awesome entry. Awesome entry. My entry would have been, so we had this purple. We came down, touched this level, formed a blue, created my range, pushed up. No real entry here because it didn't give me any retest. Came down, retested. right? Retested this range, and on that initial push back up. So my entry should have been 45-ish, 45. Now it's gone. I can still enter this, but it's just oh, now we're in the days open. Good long, man. Good long. Yeah, it's odd coming in this late. Odd seeing that orb start forming whenever I just barely start the stream. I'm late. Means I'm probably just gonna need a second to get my mind in the game. You know? Get rid of yesterday's opening range. Let's put add on the gap for today. I got my accounts activated again, so oh. I hope so, man. I had a good spike to start. Come down, retest, and hopefully give you a nice big push back up. I'm not taking it. I'm not prepared to take that. Yeah, I mean, like, I see the auto buttons and stuff. I was looking at the trading view stuff yesterday, and I just couldn't find anything that I really wanted, you know? Because really what I want is for it to lock in on price, right? I want it to lock in on the price. Don't change the size unless I tell it to change the size, right? And just keep whatever the price is directly in the center of my screen. So as the price moves up or down, if it moves violently, my screen can move violently up and down with it. And then if it gets bigger, I'll have to resize. But right now, it's like what you can do is you can do the auto fits like you had mentioned yesterday, but that resizes everything to being like so tiny. And now it'll keep everything fit in the screen. But like, I hate that. I hate how small all these bars are. Like, I don't want my bars to look like that. I want my bars to look like this, you know? And then the other thing you can do is the auto scroll, which is what I've already been doing. And that'll keep it every time there's a new candle, it'll scroll. But if the candles jump way off your screen, long's looking good. Oh, I think it's going to go. I'm going to buy a little bit here. See if I can get a 10-point pop. Risking way too much. Got that 10-point pop. And pop me out. Good. Risked way too much on that trade. Should have just done one micro. If I did one micro, I could sit there and hold it. But I did 3 micros, and I just can't do that. Actually, I didn't copy. Oh, no, it did. I just have those weird apexes sitting in the middle. Jeez, man, why? I hope it's an eval like near ending its cycle or something. One mini. Well, you're up big. You're up big. From 37. Jeez, man. Is it a PA? I mean, I think the long still looks phenomenal. I think you still have another 50 points at least, you know, going along on that. Is my mic audio okay? I can't get my mic positioned any better than this because it just sagged. And then whenever I went to, I thought, okay, well, it must be loose. Oh my gosh. The cojones. So, that's major, dude. Oh, good. Good. I got a little extra rumble in my voice this morning too, just from my daughter being sick and deciding to pass it on to me. And it's her birthday tomorrow, which is perfect. So we're going to be sharing it with a lot of people, trying to spread as much as we can. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. So what I'll do is on Monday, I gotta figure out how to contact you. Can you put your email or something in the chat? Is there a way to do it like privately? I could probably just delete it, and I'll send you a link for hopping on the stream, and then can I click on you and well, I can delete stuff. Wait, I'm gonna go up here. I'm gonna delete your bada boom right now. Let's see here, and now the message is deleted. So if you put it in for half a second, if you're up for that, I can copy it and then delete it. Actually, dude, I'm just gonna. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna give you my email so that you're not even worrying about that. I have a few, so I'm gonna put in. And then you can email me, so you don't have to worry about it. So go ahead and copy that email. Send me an email. So I have one from you, and then I'll send you the links. And so there'll be two links. One will be for camera and mic, and then the other one will be for screen sharing. If you wanted to ever put your trades up on the screen, we could switch over and screen share a screen for you. But awesome. Let me go ahead and delete that. All right, make sure I don't have this on a screen that is visible. Did you get out? Please tell me you got out of this trade. Please tell me you made some good money and got out of this trade. I got A++ sell here, but it's just too big. I have to really be on like some really. I need a micro of a micro to trade this right now. Where's my ATR? Why is it on the 2 minute? I don't want an ATR on the 2 minute. What is going on? I mean, I guess I can have an ATR on the 2 minute. It's fine, but I want my ATR on my 1 minute chart. See, now all of a sudden it popped up, and now I have two. I don't want to. Delete that one. There we go. Now it popped up. Oh, jeez. Now this thing just shooting up. Well, if you didn't get out, you're still good. Unless it popped your account on that massive move down. Still haven't gotten anything. But just let me know. Just whatever. I'll look at it later. It's fine. I'll send you the 2 links. I already personalized them for you, and then those links should be good for forever. So unless something happens where we have to change them, or I find out you're really just a really scary person, and I just can't have you on the stream anymore. Yeah, no, dude. No, I didn't get anything. Let me see. I'll look again. Let me look at my spam. Oh, I got it. Yeah, it's in my spam. It's in my spam. Call you Chucky? Okay. All right. Not spam. I'll put that in there. See if we can break up, make some new highs. Maybe this is just a swing low. I'm telling you, I'm asking. Are you out of this trade? Are you in this trade? That's just it's just terrifying to me that you have a whole mini on this thing. That just shows me how much of a girl I am when it comes to trading. All right, so that's your video link, and then. Links. I need a screen share link. Yep. Screen share links. There we go. I think I can change this one to. Did you make money? Did you make money? Did you get green on that thing? I mean, like, it's all the way back up now. Nice. That is awesome. Good job. Good job. That's huge. Oh, do that. I didn't play. Oh, dang it. Delete this one section. No, don't delete the whole thing. Stop doing your magic stuff. And just delete what I tell you to. Microsoft Word is really making me unhappy. It's like, no, you cannot just delete one letter. No. Don't do that. There we go. Okay. Got it. Alright, guess one. So I'm going to go in here. I'm going to show you. So like make sure I'm on my NQ because that's where I have it set up as. But I'm going to type in that link. Did I send it? I don't think I sent it. All right, I'm going to hit send. Boop. All right, so now you should get this link. And then I'm going to hit this link for myself. and it's gonna pull up. Don't give me that garbage. Do I already have it up? I thought I already pulled that out. Yeah, man, right on. Are you gonna rotate them? Yeah, I could see being more aggressive if I rotated accounts, but it's the fact that I'm doing it all together. It's like, yeah, dude, I just made $30 on that quick little 10 point micro, but that $30 for me is, you know, $300. Ooh, it's a blue cross to the upside. If it can hold, if it can push. Oh, it's got 20 seconds to push through. 20 seconds to push through, and it's not going to do it. And it's holding back. Let me try this again, because for some reason it's not doing it. Why? So, there we go. So I'm gonna put on my ugly webcam here, and then I'm just gonna hit start. So all it does, so I type in the link and it says, hey, do you want to share your video or do you want to share your screen? So with this link, it's the video link, so you'd always share your video. And then when it brings you to this other screen where it's like choose your video source and your microphone source. So then you just choose whatever that is. So you want to make sure that you have you want to make sure you have headphones too. You got to have headphones. Otherwise, you're going to echo into the stream over and over and over again. So some type of headphones that you're monitoring with, and then with a microphone. So it could be just like wireless headphones, whatever, it doesn't matter. Something with a microphone. Or eventually you get a nice mic if you don't already have one. And I hit start, and the moment I hit start, I should pop in here. Oh yeah, no, and it's not going to because I changed the link. So now I got to go in here, view link, and then change this to this, and change my view, my Kira here, sources. You guys probably see all this, but all right, now I'm gonna go to back to NQ here, and so boom, and so you just pop in like that right next to me. So you'd be down here. So my 5-minute chart would be basically covered, but that's fine. 5-minute chart there. That'd be your spot, man. Now there's two of us because I got my cell phone camera and my am I echoing too? That's a good question. Am I echoing right now because I'm talking twice? Probably sounds really weird. I can't hear it. Yeah, dude. But I mean, that's it. The moment you hit start, you'll pop right in on my stream. Nothing else to it. Yeah, because now it's coming through twice. I was wondering. It looked like there was a little delay between the two videos, but it should be gone now. It should be gone now. But I didn't hear you. Yeah, you need a better camera. Oh. Yeah. That's too funny. Yeah, hopefully you'll be looking better than that. We can only have one burly bearded man on the stream at a time. You have the stubble. You have your stubble. All right. Are we making orb? Orb's already formed. We hit bottom side orb on SPX. Time to trade, man. Time to trade. So that is bottom side orb. Right there on that blue line. It's a big rejection zone multiple times throughout pre-market. We hit, reject, hit, reject, hit, reject, hit, reject. Got that push higher. Came down, retested the same level. Rejected, back up again. Now we're testing this gold box out. Seeing if we can get a push higher. Starting that uptrend. I mean, it's looking good. Very, very wicky on these pull-ups. Look at all these long top wicks right now. So we're going to have to wait for something to happen. It's got to break above and hold, break and hold above this 716 for longs, break below this gold box, this 5-minute cross, start pushing down below 630 for shorts. Till then, we sit on our hands and we wait. 37 ATR. Yeah, but so then that means that's good that you heard that echo, because that means that the mic was coming through. So whatever mic you use will come through on the stream, and then I just have to make sure. That's what I need to do. I need to go into here because that's on monitor off, so it should be monitor and output, and then that should come into. Oh yeah, let's change that too. I want it to be like my mic audio. So that way I record just the audio, and that will come through the stream, and then that'll come into my ears now too, which is good. Oh, it's making that pop, making that pop. We gotta hold 16, hold 16, break an orb. I got 30 seconds on this. I need this thing to push up and hold. I don't want this thing to just wick right back down on us. Yeah, it looked like, at least, I mean, I don't know, maybe it's because I'm on the same network, but the latency looked very, very minimum. So, hopefully it works out really well, man. I held above, we're retesting, see if we get a push back up. If we get a push back up, I'll take it long. Retesting the 1-minute cross. Give reject off that and push back above, I'm going to take it long. With 1 micro. Because it'll be 30 point risk. It doesn't look like it's one to reject. It's like it wants to push. Got to reject this candle for me. See if it can hold that 1-minute cross, or if it's going to break that cross too. Held the 1-minute cross. That's not too bad. And it held that 1-minute cross. Actually, I'm going to take it here and go below this box right here. See if we're going to push from this point. No. I want that 1-minute cross to hold and for it to push back up. Definitely don't want it to break that blue. Reject, go green again from right here. So it broke that 1-minute cross. Doesn't look good for me. Gotta really pop up aggressively right here. I'm surprised it didn't count that as a break of the cross. Is it a downward cross? It's a downward cross. Oh, I didn't realize that. I already don't like this trade very much. See if it can go a little green for me, and then I'll cut it. Yeah, it's looking very bearish for me right now. I didn't realize that was a downward cross. I thought it was an upward cross. I thought I was going to hold an upward cross. Nope, it's going to come stop me out. Rejecting midline on orb. Yeah, I traded 30 seconds for a while. A lot of entries, you know, a lot of entries, a lot of really, really good sniper style entries using whatever confluences you normally use just on the smaller time frame. And but then you get a lot of failed trades too. So it's like, but your risk is going to be smaller because your targets are, everything's minimized, you know, for that initial entry, and then as long as you can zoom out for the time frame for higher targets, you know, then you can get really, really good sniper entries. I think it's going to take this and then pop me out. Yep. Okay. Oh, wow. Yeah, I was doing it the opposite. I was looking at the 1 minute, 5 minute for like direction and confluence, and I was looking at the 30-second for entries, and then oh. All right, let's see if we can get a nice big push down and break this. And then, so I was trying to get the lowest risk, closest to the bottom entry I could get. And so you get a lot more, or closest to the top, whichever way you're trading it. You get a lot more really, really good entries, but you get a lot more also just failed trades because it's 30-second. So it just doesn't hold its weight. I just, for some reason, I thought it was this cross right here. I didn't see that it was a downward cross. All right, we're gonna hold off for a minute. Broke this blue. Still got gold box, another big blue that we're fighting the whole way. Break in orb on SPX. We could break and hold orb on SPX. That might be a good indication that we're gonna go lower, but we'll see. Oh, pushing back up. Big break on orb. And it's just going. I'm gonna go ahead and hit sell here. Oh, dang it. I want to get stopped out. Stupid tight stop. Okay. Man. That was bad. All right. Cooling it. Cooling it. That's aggressive. Man. What a push right there, man. A little bit back there. I was like FOMOing.
the Spirit of the Lord minister to you.
Jesus, he's here.
Order filled.
He walks beside
Order filled.
All right, all right, all right. Got a little bit back. Got a little bit back. Off that retest on orb. Added in, scaled in a little bit. Ooh. Break back down into orb. This thing's gonna have to come all the way back down and take the bottom. Long from 690, man. That's awesome. Breaking the gold box, not back into orb. No cross. Pushing back up. All right, all right, all right. Yeah, 690 is a good entry, dude. I got that 690 right there. Is where I got a cross on the 2 minute and the 1 minute. And both have the 690 cross right at 690. That's an awesome entry. High volume candle for both of them. That's that big pop up. I was trying to short the bottom side of orb right there. Got smoked. Curling down the top of this gold box. See if we can get a break back into orb. Nice break into orb. I was hesitant. Right back down to those 690s.
Be not dismayed. Oh, we fear not, God. Thank you.
Very wiki day. Very up and down. Retesting those 90s. Try one short here.
Order submitted.
Off the retest and flip on those 90s.
I just want to speak the name of Jesus. Oh, come on. Over every heart and every mind. 'Cause I know there's
Topside
peace
orb.
within your presence. I speak Jesus. Hallelujah.
Order submitted.
Power in that name. I just want to speak the name of Jesus till every dark addiction starts to break, declaring there is hope and there is freedom. I speak Jesus.
Order submitted.
Your name is power. Your name is healing. Your name
All right, man. Cooked.
it breaks every stronghold, shines through the shadows, burns like a fire.
Not my day.
Yes, I just want to speak that name of Jesus over fear and all anxiety. To every soul held captive by depression, I speak Jesus.
It's basically the exact opposite of yesterday, man.
'Cause his name is power. Your name is healing. Your name is life. Break every stronghold. Shine through the shadows. Burn
There it goes.
Yes, Jesus. I just want to speak that name. Hallelujah. Yes, I
Still in
just
that long? Still in that 690 long?
Jesus. Over every heart and over every mind. Come on. 'Cause I know there's peace within
What is going on with SPX?
so I speak Jesus.
Nice, nice, man. Nice. This thing, right? Like, my SPX chart has got some weird, really weird looking gaps on it, man. Oh my gosh. If I was trading minis, all my accounts would be gone right now. I'd be down $4,000 per account. But I'm down 400, so. Oh. Just impatient this morning. I feel like, everything was a little jacked when I came in and wasn't mentally ready. But no worries, no worries. Keep going, keep going. Up to 820s. Push it up, push it up, push it up. So next week, I'm only going to be able to really trade Monday, depending on work. Probably only be able to trade on Monday. Now I have to go back to work. Yeah. Sounds good to me, man. I'm gonna watch this thing pump up. Pump up, pump up. I should have been waiting for the break of the blue for a short. I took that because it was on a 2-minute cross. No real 1-minute cross entry. Just being too impatient today. Too impatient today. That's okay. I need to check out what's going on with my options. Coles is taking a dump. That's my big one, is Coles. It is taking another dump. There it goes. Come on, push up. Where's your stop at right now? $740, nice. Secured 50 points. That's awesome, man. So so we're through the open now, yeah. 748 on SPX. So we're through the open on SPX at least. Nice move, man. And that 820 cross right there. $740. 40. That's push up, push up, push up. Keep going. Go take out this high. Get it all the way up here to 910. Go another 100 points. That's that last 5-minute high. Look at that thing right there. It's going to come tap it. Yeah. Oh. Yeah, my Tradeify, man. Lost $1,000 today. Okay. SPX is really struggling at the top side of its opening range right now. This is where I would hit the sell button, and so it should run up another 100 points from about right now. I'd hit sell right here. Boom. See? That's where I'd hit the sell button. So now it's going to run up another 100 points. Right on that little flag. You got this. You got this. Smash that box. Jeez, man. Right on. Right on. 150 points. It's crazy. That's good work. That's good work. That's awesome, dude. Congrats. Congrats. Personal record. That's amazing. That's amazing. I've only YOLO'd like that. I've YOLO'd a 3K move, on like a eval. Try to pass them in a day, whatever. But I've never done that. I've never done that. Actually taking a trade on a PA. That's amazing. Congratulations. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. It's gonna hit that 910, man. It's gonna hit that 910. Come all the way up to here. Boop. You got that 5-minute cross right there. And it'll probably reject off that before it moves higher. But it's gonna do it. It's gonna do it. $200-point move. Come on, 200-point move. $200 Just got 40 to go. 890, right? You're in 690. 890, 200 points. Come on, baby. I want to see that 890. I want to see that 890. I want to see those 200 pointer. That 4K trade. 4K trade. I like bottom tick shorted that last swing down. I didn't have enough confidence, man. I should have waited till it broke that blue. That's okay. Food for the future. There it goes. There it goes. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. Go to that 890. Go to that 890. Dude, that's crazy work. That's crazy work. Come on, break that gold box. Break that gold box. Oh geez, man. 10 points. 10 points. Do you have a TP set or are you still just trailing? Oh my gosh. 5 points. Come on, baby. Come on, baby. That's the trade of the year, man. That's the trade of the year. So on Monday, you just trade one micro all day. One micro. That's what I should have done today, honestly. Because I took my payout yesterday, so I was like, I was due to be overzealous. I still didn't go crazy. I mean, I never put on more than 3 micros. So. Stops were a little wide. A couple of those should have been 1 micro rather than 3, but 3 micros is no big deal. There you go. Come on, baby. Oh, come on. Did it hit? There you go. A 200-point move, man. 200-point move. Oh, that's insane. $200 points. With 1 mini. Jeez. Jeez. Oh, man. Congratulations. That is awesome. That is awesome. Good work, man. Good work. That's amazing. That is amazing. And you even took a little drawdown too. Right? Boom. 200-point move. Because you got in back here, right? You got in back here like he was like right at this cross. Because I remember it was like both of them had crossed that 690 level. Yep. So it was on that big pump up. Yeah. Just get all anxious the whole time. Nah, but it was all, you know, you already took the money off the table. Look at that. Yeah, dude, that's a beautiful entry. Should have taken that cross too. With just one, I would have just done it with 1 micro because it would have been a 50-point stop. Definitely would have been a 1 micro trade for me. But I would have been stopped out. I'd have been stopped out way up here. You know, probably on this first move. It probably would have gone up, pulled back, and stopped me out on that first candle. That is awesome work, man. Awesome work. 200-point trade. That is amazing. That is amazing. You get to buy ribeyes, buy some steak dinners for me and you, and dude, congratulations. especially after the last few days, will come a little bit of downward day trading, and come back strong on the PAs, dude. Good work. Yeah, I'm trading one mini tomorrow on Monday. That's what I'm gonna do one mini on Monday. You did it today. I'm gonna trade a mini on Monday. Not really, but. And then to take it out at the rejection point, look at that, man. You took it out at the top. And now it's rejecting down. Now it's going to be melting. Jeez. Right on. That's exciting. That was an exciting trade. See? And you could have been live. This could have been like your first day on the live stream. We could have put your trade up on the screen as it was going. That's fun. That'll be fun, dude. That'll be fun. I'm super looking forward to either next week or the week after, whenever you get ready. You got those links. It's already set up. It's ready to go. I need to work on getting a screen share one. Can you tell me what resolution your trading monitor is? Make sure I test it and set it up. Is it like a 1080 or a 1440 or 4K? Or 4K, okay. Yeah, the screen share will only come over in 1080, but I can size it better if it's a 4K. That's good. Perfect. That way the aspect ratio is right. So I make sure I use one of my other screens as a template. Man, dude, you took it out at the very top. That's crazy. Crazy. Massive drop. That's got to feel even better to take the profit at the top and then just watch it just tank on you after you've already taken all your money. Oh, that's great, dude. All right, everybody. That does it for me. That is a stream. I definitely was a little, I think I came in. I had so many problems getting my stream set up. I was a little late. And came in just a little overzealous. Took too many entries too fast. Too big stops. Size was still small. I'm happy with the sizing that I did. I was trying to use structure for stops rather than points, which is not wrong, but I shouldn't have had the size where it was, where the structure was too much risk. Took me out to 440 down on the day. Not bad. Akira killed it with a 200 point $4,000 one mini trade. I want to let you guys all know Jesus loves you. He wants to know you in a real and personal way. None of this money can be taken with us. What matters is your eternal salvation. I will see you guys next week. You are a pro, dude. You are a pro. That's it. You're a pro. What really makes you a pro, I know I just did my ending, but I want to say what really makes you a pro is taking the red days too. You gotta take the red days too. We're gonna get that. We are pros, dude. We are pros. We're pros, and we're gonna be together in this. We're gonna be trading live together in this. This is the beginning of the future, man. This is the beginning of our future as a massive, successful day trading movement. In Jesus' name, see you next week.